Let's go.
We're out in the Civic, got the cameras strapped up. I think we've got to park up somewhere, have a little walk round, and then we've got ripping, show you all what it sounds like. It's driving absolutely spot on. The suspension's really nice, they're skunk 2s. HSD's meant to be good. If you're going to get suspension for one of these, or any Civic really, skunk 2s are pretty pucker. Yeah, it's driving really nice, pulling nice, gear changes are nice and smooth, there's no weird noises. Absolutely over the moon with this.
Vibes on this are wicked and crisp.
Here we are, the finished product. Looking $1 million. Really nice paint job, it's sitting nice with the wheels. Absolutely over the moon with the whole car. Let's give you a quick walk round. We've got the black badge on there, nice pressed plates on. You see the Type R calipers just tucked in there. Nice shiny new discs. Very nice.
Hazee signing out. God bless.
Yeah, there's the interior. All finished. Same in the back, just nice and simple, nice clean look. Very, very nice. Right, so I think we'll strap the cameras up, go grab Ollie, go show you what the exhaust sounds like. Nice.
Myself Hazee signing out. are wicked and crisp.
So there we are, Civic is all done. All 3 parts are up. If you haven't seen the other 2, go back, watch them. Meet me back here at the 3rd one. Everyone who's subscribing, the channel's growing. Thank you very much, do appreciate it. There is a giveaway coming at 1,000, so share it around with your pals. Let's get to 1,000 as quick as we can. So yeah, as usual, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and I'll see you at season 2. We've got a whole season of cafe races and scramblers. I'll see you there.